The year was 1891. Storm clouds were brewing over Europe. France and Germany were at each other's throats, the result of a series of bombings. Some said it was the nationalists, others the anarchists. But as usual, my friend Sherlock Holmes had a different theory entirely.
Bombing in Strasbourg! Read all about it! Anarchists suspected in Strasbourg bombing! Dead, Strasbourg bombing! Bombing in Strasbourg!
When did you start working for the Postal Service?
That was you back there. Shame your activities have landed you in the gutter.
A curious parcel. Who's the intended recipient?
Why don't we discuss that over dinner tonight?
I'm free for lunch.
I'm not. How about the Savoy? 8 o'clock?
Splendid.
And will you be coming as yourself?
Most likely. You men have been following for the last half mile their motives. Highly unsavory.
No. Oh, and by the way, they're not pursuing me, they're escorting me, and instead of 3, there seems to be 4.
Steady hands with that, Irene.
Ooh, I don't think it's my hands you have to worry about. Now be careful with the face, boys. We do have a dinner date tonight. Don't fill up on bread.
I forgot the rest. It's coming back now.
Healers!